Hi, my name is Bronte Billings.
And my name is Joey Goheen.
And we are Student Success Navigators from Lakeland's Learning Center. As Student Success Navigators, we help college students with their academic skills by creating workshops like Tackle College Toolkit. We design Tackle to improve studying and learning skills to achieve academic success.
Basically, Tackle Studying is workshops designed for any student, whether you're just getting started or struggling to get through this semester.
Tackle includes online resources you can browse and workshop opportunities. You'll receive personalized coaching to help you build skills for academic learning success when you join our workshops. Visit the Learning Center webpage to get started.
In the workshops, we'll cover things like study skills, time management, how to email your professor, how to quell study anxiety, and so much more. Because academic skills is a pretty big umbrella term. Just to get you curious, here's a preview of our favorite tips.
So my favorite tip is related to time management because there just doesn't seem to be enough time in the week. So I have two things I want to show you. The first is this pad of paper that's called Out of My Head and Onto This Paper. I start the day just mapping out my priorities 1, 2, and 3, and then I fill in my to-do list and add anything that I've forgotten as I go through the day. But if this is too minute for you to do, there's also a planner. Planners are your friends. They're my favorite. You can do something that's like a monthly overview where you can see your entire month and what's going on when homework is due, or you can do weekly and get your readings, your homework assignments, and due dates all in order so you can stay organized and stay on top of things.
So my favorite study tip is utilizing the study cycle. And really all it is previewing material before class, taking notes, actively participating, attending class, reviewing material after class, studying that material, and then checking in with yourself, asking yourself, what do I know, what don't I know?
Well, we have some great tips in our Tackle workshop. Don't forget the Learning Center is full of great resources to assist you, like tutoring, Math in Minutes, Tackle Math, the Writing Center, and academic study skills coaching.
Visit the Learning Center webpage, stop in, or call 440-525-7019, and we'll help connect you with the resources you need.